Snuggle around the client's waist. Check to be certain that the belt is securely fastened. Give explicit instructions to the client. Ask the client to move forward and sit on the edge of the bed. Lean forward slightly from the hip. Place the foot of the stronger leg beneath the edge of the bed and put the other foot forward. The client should not grasp your neck for support. As you can see, it is necessary to us that we should explain the procedure to the client so that the cooperation of both patient and nurse will be orderly and properly. Place the client's hands on the bed surface or on your shoulders so that the client can push while standing. The client should not grasp your neck for support. Position number 7. Position yourself correctly. Stand directly in front of the client. Lean your trunk forward from the hip. Flex your hips, knees, and ankles. Assume a broad stance, placing one foot forward and one back. Mirror the placement of the client's feet if possible. Encircle the client's waist with your arms and grasp the transfer belt at the client's back with your thumbs pointing downward. Tighten your gluteal, abdominal, leg, and arm muscles. And continue to visit or report Air Smith Kumawit continue. To continue the report, we are now in the procedure number 8. Assist the client to stand and move together towards the wheelchair. So, i-continue na ito ang client pa doon sa wheelchair.
Allow the nurse and the client to extend the joint and provide the nurse with an approved opportunity to ensure the client is all right before moving away from the bed. So, that was the rationale.
Procedure in the count of 3, ask the client to push his back foot, rock the forward foot, and extend or straighten the joint of lower extremities. Push or pull up with your hands. While pushing with your forward foot, rub to your back foot, extend the joint of the lower extremities, and pull the client directly toward your center of gravity so the visible body is in the standing position. Support the client in an upright standing position for a few moments. Together, pivot or take a few steps toward the wheelchair. So, stand up na ang tindog ng patient toward the wheelchair.
The nurse and patient on the floor want to be presented not to operate this wheel.
Then, assist the client to sit.
Having the client place the legs against the wheelchair, seek to minimize the rest of the client falling into something down.
So, ask the client to back up to the wheelchair and place his legs against the seat. So, place the foot stronger leg slightly behind the other.
Use support to facilitate together the movement.
Keep other foot forward.
This provides a forward base of support.
Place both hands on the wheelchair arms or on your shoulders.
This increases stability and raises the strain on the nurse.
The nurse should stand directly in front of the client with one foot forward and bend back. So, next procedure is ensure client safety.